I think we can all agree that having the right tool for the job is super important. So how about checking out some of the most amazing new tools you'll want to buy this year? We've got everything from an affordable drain auger to a glass vacuum cleaner to a repair kit for your hardwood flooring. All this and more is coming up. The future is now. Before we get started, be sure to hit that like button and ring the notification bell for more videos. Sunjo Cordless Automatic Drain Auger. Hiring a plumber can be super expensive, though if you have a simple clogged drain, the Sunjo Cordless Automatic Drain Auger may help clear out your pipes without needing to call a professional. This amazing product doesn't use a power cord or any other dangerous high voltage cables. Just plug in the 24-volt lithium-ion battery and you're ready to get to work. These batteries are interchangeable with more than 50 other Sunjo tools, so if you already own a Sunjo product, you probably already own a replacement battery. Just aim the auger toward the drain, press the trigger and watch the auger extend into the drain, grabbing hold of any clogs that may be stopping up your plumbing system. Any hair, dirt, grime, or debris will latch onto the threads of the auger and be quickly and easily removed from the drain. You can purchase this tool right now for less than the price of hiring a plumber, so it's a no-brainer purchase. Each charge will give you several minutes of auger use, so you'll have more than enough time to clear out tough clogs. When you're done, just place the battery back on the charger and it'll be ready in the next few hours. The STAUBER. If you live in a home with high ceilings, changing a light bulb can be incredibly difficult. Many homes are outfitted with flat-style LED bulbs, and if yours is too, you're in luck. The STAUBER is an amazing new product that can help you change flat LEDs in seconds without the use of a ladder. In essence, this product is a suction cup that is mounted to the end of a large metal pole. The suction cup allows you to easily suction onto the bulb, helping you twist it free and lower it to the ground without risking dropping or breaking it. The STAUBER is super easy to use. Just extend the pole to your desired height, press it against the bulb, and twist. You can then slowly lower the bulb and remove it from the suction cup. When you're ready to install a new bulb, just press the bulb against the suction cup, raise the pole toward the light socket, and then twist it into the socket. It's that simple. Keep in mind, products like this work best with plastic bulbs. They're not meant for glass bulbs, as they can easily shatter or break. However, this pole will install virtually any flat LED bulb you may own. Stone Kerb Clamp. Working in the construction industry is very hard work. Granite slabs and other large rocks are unbelievably heavy and often require expensive equipment to move them around without breaking them. However, the Stone Kerb Clamp can help you make easy work of any pavers, concrete blocks, stones, or other heavy objects that may be in your way. These clamps are lightweight and easily fit over virtually any stone or slab you may own. To use them, just place them over the top of the object, then have a person on either side lift up on the clamp. The clamp will easily grip onto the stone, giving you room for up to 4 people to carry it away. Not only will this be easier on your back and joints, but you can have several people help carry the stone to lessen the weight even more. However, if you're working with a particularly heavy stone, you can even use the clamp with the assistance of a machine to lift it up quickly and easily. These tools are built to last for decades and can help you save hours of time and heaps of energy when you're working in construction or in your garden. You'll never have to lift a heavy block again. Sunjo Window and Glass Vacuum Cleaner. This amazing new product can help you clean windows, tile, or glass in seconds. All you need to do is spray on your favorite cleaner, then use the Sunjo Window Vacuum Cleaner to suck away contaminants and leave you with a streak-free shine. If your bathroom mirror tends to get foggy when taking a shower, the vacuum will quickly suck all of the moisture off the glass, leaving behind a spotless mirror, so you can continue to get ready in the mornings. You can even take it outside and use it on your car's windshield, mirrors, or windows. You could even use it after washing your car to remove water before it creates water spots on your paint. Use it on floors, tile, countertops, and even your stove. This amazing vacuum can clean almost anything you could imagine. If you have trouble getting soap scum off of your shower walls, you could easily spray a product like scrubbing bubbles, then vacuum it away in seconds, leaving you with a crystal clear shower wall in a fraction of the time. Each charge will clean up to 50 windows or mirrors, meaning that you can use a single charge to clean your entire home. The 3.7 volt battery is both energy efficient and powerful. Metal tag embossing. If you work in a warehouse or just like to keep things organized and labeled, this machine can help you emboss metal tags so that you can create tags for every product in your home or business. This machine can press letters, numbers, or symbols into almost any form of sheet metal, giving you a tag that will last a lifetime. You could even use it to create a dog tag for your family pet. Just take any normal piece of sheet metal and run it through the machine, feeding it into the stamper. You can then rotate the stamper around until you find your desired letter, then push down. There's even a pneumatic model so that you don't have to put heaps of pressure on the metal. Just press a button and the hard work will be done for you. The possibilities for a machine like this are limitless. You can create labels for virtually anything in your home. There are tons of different designs and word choices, and you can even emboss tags for piping, hoses, cables, utility poles, and almost anything else you could imagine. If you've been looking for a quick and easy way to create labels that will last for decades, you've come to the right place. TRUTOOL Shears. TRUTOOL makes some amazing tools that can take the hard work out of manual labor. One of these tools is the TRUTOOL Shears. This is a set of electric shears that can help you cut through metal instantly without needing to strain your wrist or use scissors. These shears are perfect for trimming sheet metal, cutting through metal fencing, metal wires, and so much more. Almost any type of thin metal can be cut with electric shears, so the possibilities are endless. The best part about these shears is that although they're wireless, they're rechargeable so you can use them time and time again without buying more batteries. They come in several different shapes and sizes, ranging from the base S160 model to the beefy S450 that can cut through almost any metal you can think of. Quick Step Repair Kit. Having wooden floors in your home can be a great experience, though the major downfall of natural or artificial wood flooring is that they can become chipped very easily, leaving behind nasty scars that will not ever fade away. Though this Quick Step Repair Kit can make easy work of flooring scratches, allowing you to fix the damage in a matter of seconds. The kit comes with a cutting tool and several colors of wood filler. Just scrape away the color you need and fill in the scratch. You can then go back with darker colors and match the pattern of wood grain, allowing you to quickly heal scratches so that they'll completely disappear. This kit is absolutely amazing. Scratches will disappear right before your eyes. You'll no longer need to cover up scratches with a permanent marker or a paint pen. You can repair them correctly the first time for a finish that will last for many years. The kit is available now on Amazon and will save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in flooring repairs over the years. This is a must-have for anyone with hardwood or manufactured wood flooring.